What is up, my peepers? Okay, I'm so sorry that I didn't vlog this past 2 weeks because I have school, of course, because I'm a young vlogger. But I do vlogs over the weekends. This is not my weekend. My grandpa got me out of school because I didn't want to go this weekend watching the Practical Jokers. You know, I'm going on my bike to go get some I'm gonna get some vending machine stuff. So see you there. Okay, so I got my bike here and I need to get my shoes. That wasn't a cool intro. I just put my hand over the camera and I just walked from there to here. So, yeah, that's all I'm doing. I'm doing a very, very short vlog. Ooh. Gotta put my shoes on. Gotta put my shoes on. Ah! The camera fell over.
This meal is, of course, on me. I'll expense it as a business. Who's going to ask a guy who says I'll buy you dinner to leave? No one. You're a genius and a cheater. I guess we're ready to order. We're ready to order? Yeah. Excuse me, sir. Can I get the pesto? Cheers.
Ah, got my shoes on. There we go. Now it's time to get that bike. Okay, so I'm gonna turn off my camera because it takes me a couple of minutes to get my bike out of here. So yeah. Okay, so I got my bike out of the house, or I wouldn't say house, apartment. It's an apartment. Now we're going. Oh shoot! Really? Did I lock myself out? Okay, good. I need money, guys. I'm so stupid. Guys, I'm so stupid. Okay. Dude, the freaking. I had to get this bike all the way down the stairs. It's my, new BMX bike. I have the seat very low, and I'm very tall. I don't know how to ride a bike. Okay, there you go. There we go. So, I got to go get the snacks, and I'm just gonna end the vlog there. And this is like terrible vlogging because I don't do things excited and vlog. I try to remember to vlog, but yeah. Oh, okay. Let's see. I always get Dr. Pepper. Hey guys, I'm gonna end the vlog right here. I will see you in the next vlog. Bye.